Hello, welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Please click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just type Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also add us on Snapchat by typing DELOVEGRATIAS. 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 In today's video, I'm going to teach you all the tastes of food in Lingala. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. First of all, taste singular in Lingala is elengi. Elengi. Taste in plural in Lingala is bilengi. Bilengi. Okay, let's get started. The first taste of food that we're starting with is sweet, which means sukali in Lingala. Sukali. Note that sukali also refers to sugar. Very sweet means sukali makasi. Sukali makasi. Example, this cake is too sweet. This cake is too sweet. This translates to gato oyo ezali sukali makasi. Gato oyo ezali sukali makasi. Another example is I don't like sweet things. I don't like sweet things. In Lingala, we translate this by nalingaka biloko ya sukali makasi te. Nalingaka biloko ya sukali makasi te. Nalingaka biloko ya sukali makasi te. Next, sour. Sour in Lingala means ngai. Ngai. Example, this food has a sour taste. We translate this in Lingala by bilei oyo ezali na elengi ya ngai. Bilei oyo ezali na elengi ya ngai. Or you can just say bilei oyo ezali ngai. Another example is Herman is giving me a sour look. Herman is giving me a sour look. In Lingala, we translate that by Herman azotalanga mabe. Herman azotalanga mabe. Note that sour look in Lingala is kotala mabe. Kotala mabe or etaleli mabe. Etaleli mabe. Salty. Salty in Lingala is mungwa. Mungwa. Note also that mungwa in Lingala can refer to salt. Example: waters of the Red Sea are very salty. Waters of the Red Sea are very salty. We translate this by mai ya mbu motane ezalaka na mungwa mingi. Mai ya mbu motane ezalaka na mungwa mingi. Mai ya mbu motane ezalaka na mungwa mingi. Bitter. Bitter means bololo. Bololo in Lingala. Example: the pill left a bitter taste in my mouth. The pill left a bitter taste in my mouth. In Lingala, we translate this by nkisi etiki bololo na monoko na ngai. Nkisi etiki bololo na monoko na ngai. Kisi etiki bololo na monoko na ngai. Spicy. Spicy, here referring to pepper. In Lingala, spicy is pilipili. Pilipili. Pilipili also means pepper. Example: soccer players should avoid spicy food to maintain fast running speed. We translate this in Lingala by babeti ndembo basengeli ko boya bilia ya pilipili pona kozala na mbangu makasi. Babeti ndembo basengeli koboya bilia ya pilipili pona kozala na mbangu makasi. Babeti ndembo basengeli koboya bilia ya pilipili pona kozala na mbangu makasi. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing DELOVEGRATIAS. DELOVEGRATIAS. Thank you and see you next time.